Looking for the best frame tent system for your inventory? One that won't break the bank or the backs of your crew? Look no further. The X2 from Eureka has it all. This hybrid, lightweight Keder frame system has ultimate ease and versatility with a 2-channel, 2-inch aluminum frame system. Hybrid means you can use some of your existing aluminum tubing and simply add Keder tubing and brackets to create the X2 system. Keder consists of 2 parts, a core and fabric. The core is made from extruded PVC for flexibility, and the fabric is made from woven fiber that wraps around the core and is easily sealed onto the edges of your tent fabric. The Keder makes the top easy to slide into the aluminum extrusion. Instead of the time-consuming process of lacing tent tops together, then pulling the heavy tops onto the frame, the X2 Keder system lets you quickly and easily slide the tops onto the frame. You can do it when the frame is on the ground or when it's up in the air. The components of the X2 can be used as a cost-effective standalone system, or because the X2 system is a hybrid by design, you can mix and match parts with your current Eureka frame system or other West Coast-style frame components for the ultimate in versatility. Installation is a breeze with the X2. Like other frame systems you're familiar with, simply measure and mark the area where you're installing the tent. Lay out all the pieces and pin them together, pull the tops on, and you're done. You can either pull the tops on when the frame is on the ground or when it's in the air. The slide-in tops look great and cut labor time, making the price value for the X2 a real game-changer. This means that it's easy to assemble an elegant tent to any configuration that you want or need for an unforgettable event. And the X2 can pay for itself in as few as 5 rentals. After that, the profits will begin piling up. The X2 is available in 10-foot, 15-foot, 20-foot, 30-foot, and 40-foot widths with 10 and 15-foot midsections. And like most Eureka innovations, there's cool Eureka exclusives to add in, like quad ends and 45 and 90-degree turns for the marquee. With the Eureka X2 frame system, you're guaranteed super fast installation. Great price value compared to all others. Optimal inventory flexibility. Options for every level of event. The X2 Keder Frame Tent from Eureka, a fan favorite throughout the rental community. Get yours today.